Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix the Valorant error code file 1. So this is the error code 1 on your Valorant. So to fix this, you can go ahead and continue watching this video. But make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information. So let's get on it. First, what you can do is to simply restart your Riot client. So as you can see, the error code 1 message asks you to restart your game client, which is obviously the first thing you should try doing. So usually restarting the Riot client will solve your problem by itself and you shouldn't get this error again. However, if the error is still occurring, we still have more solutions for you. So that is next is to run Riot Client and Valorant as administrator. So another common reason why you keep getting the Valorant code error code 1 is the fact that your PC doesn't have full access to Riot Client or Valorant. So to fix this, you can easily run your client, Riot Client rather, and Valorant using the run as administrator function by right clicking of the icon of the program you want to run. Just like right here, click onto the run as administrator. So without administrator privileges, you might not run Valorant or any of the game files from Riot. So this could be something you need to keep in mind if you are using a shared PC where you are have a guest account. When you have a guest account rather. The next what you can do is to contact Riot Games support. So, the second or the last resort option is to contact Riot Games via their support page. It is definitely a slow way of fixing this issue, but if error code won't disappear after going for the two methods that I have mentioned, contacting Riot support is your go-to option. So, if the issue is still related to your game files, you might get some specific game files from Riot Games that should fix the Valorant error code 1 problem till the next update. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.